Ripple XRP news. XRP price is about to erupt like a volcano, up over 20%. Ripple plus Visa plus XRP news. Hello guys, welcome to the channel. Today in this video we are going to discuss the price of XRP and when it is going to erupt like a volcano. But before we start, make sure to give this video a big thumbs up, and if you are new to the channel, don't forget to subscribe before leaving. Also hit that bell icon so that you get notified whenever we upload a new video. For now, let's get back to the video straight away.
You want to win an iPhone 12, maybe a MacBook Pro? How about $500 cash? You decide. All you have to do is comment the secret hidden message somewhere in this video and leave a like on this video and subscribe to the channel so we can keep affording these giveaways.
At the turn of 2017 and 2018, the Ripple cryptocurrency made a dizzying leap, briefly becoming the second most capitalized cryptocurrency in the world after Bitcoin. This growth was followed by a long and painful decline in the exchange rate and capitalization of XRP. The drop turned out to be even deeper on average than the general sagging capitalization of cryptocurrencies. XRP was created neither as an alternative means of payment nor as an alternative to traditional paper money and the entire banking system as a whole. Like most cryptocurrencies, the purpose of XRP is the emergence of a new method of calculation for the banking system. That is the creation of an alternative system of interbank transfers with a minimum commission. The main goal of Ripple protocol is to ensure high speed of money transfer. The system uses consensus registry to record information about transactions, which differs in many ways from the classic blockchain. In traditional consensus algorithms such as proof of work or proof of stake, trust in nodes is formed based on their computing power or the value of the balance. In Ripple, trust is built on the reputation of the owners of node validators, which are banks and other registered companies, i.e. Axis Bank, American Express, or the Royal Bank of Canada. Confirmation of transactions is carried out by reaching an agreement on their authenticity between the validator. Since the release of the maximum number of XRP tokens, 1 billion coins, occurred at an early age of the protocol's existence, it is impossible to get coins in the system by mining or foraging. There is no reward for checking transactions. Commissions for making transfers are irrevocably burnt out, reducing the number of tokens in circulation. Banks that use the protocol for mutual settlements are interested in the system's stable operation, so they are most often the holders of the node. Ripple network consensus mechanism is often criticized for its lack of transparency and the low degree of decentralization. In July of 2021, only 55 node validators performed transaction verification. The system developers recognized the need to expand the network. In their blog, the company has repeatedly announced plans to increase the number of trusted nodes. Ripple supports instant currency and asset conversion. The user does not need to worry about what kind of currency is on the balance. When making a transfer, the exchange will be carried out automatically. The ability to exchange in such a fast manner turns the system into a central hub for international settlements and interbank payments. The creators of the system are in favor of the legislature regulation of cryptocurrencies. Strict adherence to formal requirements has provided Ripple with wide recognition amongst major financial institutions. Since 2014, well-known banks such as Mitsubishi, UFJ, UBS, and Unicredit have been actively connected to the system. The Ripple network operates based on Ripple protocol consensus algorithms. It does not use the famous proof of work or proof of stake systems. Instead, Ripple Transactions Protocol performs consistent validation of accounts and transactions of the ecosystem by many independent nodes. For the operation to pass validation, all nodes must agree on it, and this is the only way to perform transactions. This protocol allows the system to prevent double spending, primarily by conducting surveys to determine the majority opinion. Double spending is the risk that a digital currency can be spent twice. It is a potential problem unique to digital currencies because digital information can be reproduced relatively easy by savvy individuals who understand the blockchain network and the computing power necessary to manipulate it. Ripple will not allow you to spend the same amount of coins 2 or more times because the system detects the requested transaction first and deletes all the subsequent ones. The validation process in this consensus protocol takes only a few seconds, so the transaction time is minimal. On average, it takes about 4 seconds to complete the operation. The Ripple protocol works using gateways. The gateway acts as an intermediary in the chain of trust between two parties who want to complete a transaction. As a rule, banks are gateways. The architecture of Ripple is similar to the architecture of the SWIFT global fast payment system. For many years after its creation, the price of XRP coin was so insignificant that it was almost worthless. Until 2017, the asset value fluctuated around $0.01. But this changed shortly as the token began to receive broader coverage. It also took advantage of the bullish growth of the crypto industry that year. By April 2017, XRP had risen to 5 cents. The gradual increase soon continued, reaching 25 cents in May. After that, the asset had reached the point of no return, as it had attracted the attention of crypto enthusiasts who saw the value and potential of the XRP coin. The asset's value grew throughout 2017 and until the beginning of 2018 when it reached the record level of $3.84. But this was soon followed by a short drop in value which affected all other cryptocurrencies. By the end of 2019, the price of XRP stabilized at 30 cents and did not exceed the 50-cent mark throughout the year. However, the bullish growth of 2020, which began at the end of the year, helped XRP currency exchange rate to rise. The value of the token reached 0.8 before the end of the year. The beginning of 2021 was supposed to be a continuation of the growth in the value of XRP, but this could not happen due to the SEC's announcement of a lawsuit. After the announcement, some exchanges excluded XRP from their platforms. Many of those who held the coin also sold it in a panic. This led to the fact that the price of XRP started to decline steadily to $0.166. However, XRP rose to $0.755. Currently, XRP is trading from $0.4 to $0.5. Looking at this review, we can see high volatility of XRP over the past few months, which makes it challenging to make a Ripple forecast. But volatility does not prevent analysis from making XRP forecasts based on trends. This only means that these forecasts can change at the slightest real news in the market. However, they still give a rough estimate of what to expect from the Ripple rate. Will Ripple XRP price rise again? Apart from the influence of general crypto market trends on the price of XRP, there are 7 categories of factors that are potentially important for the Ripple XRP exchange rate: the interest of global financial institutions, speculative events on the cryptocurrency market including regional ones, informational reasons related to the development of technologies, news of competing cryptocurrencies and financial services, actions of financial regulators, lawsuits against Ripple Labs Incorporated and the course of their consideration, potential price manipulations of the company itself. In the past, the popularity of XRP and, as a result, the growth of its value largely depended on partnerships with these traditional institutions. Forming more partnerships will result in deeper acceptance by society, which invariably means higher value. However, everything is not so simple for XRP. The SEC lawsuit further complicates the situation. Before the SEC filed the case, the XRP projections had been positive, even if they had not inspired optimism. But the lawsuit interrupts the breakthrough and makes Ripple's price prediction trajectory more difficult and enables Ripple to take the profit at the time when the crypto market was growing rapidly. Given how difficult it is to predict a digital asset accurately due to the extremely high volatility of the crypto market, it is even more so for XRP. After the trial, more and more traders are showing a bearish attitude towards the XRP cryptocurrency, raising fears that it may fall below 10 cents. However, the increase in prices from retail investors and traders allows it to rise again. If XRP experiences a real breakthrough in 2021, it could reach its historical maximum of more than $3. But this looks unlikely while the SEC lawsuit is still hanging over their head. According to the forecast price and technical analysis of XRP, in 2021 it is expected that the price will not cross the average price level of $1.35. The expected minimum value of XRP price by the end of the year should be $1.30. Moreover, XRP may reach a maximum price level of $1.42. XRP price prediction of September 2021. The forecast of XRP exchange rate for September 2021, $1.263 at the beginning and $1.352 at the end of the month. The XRP exchange rate for September will be $1.300. The maximum value is expected to be $1.360 per coin. The minimum will be $1.242 per coin. For September 2021, XRP is projected to grow by 0.036998 or 2.93%. XRP price prediction for October 2021. The forecast of the XRP exchange rate for October 2021, $1.358 at the beginning and $1.385 at the end of the month. The XRP rate for October will be $1.374. The maximum value is expected to be $1.397 per coin. The minimum will be at $1.347. The XRP price in October 2021 will grow by $0.07407 or 5.70%. XRP price prediction for November 2021. The forecast of the XRP exchange rate for November 2021, $1.390 at the beginning and $1.474 at the end of the month. The XRP exchange rate for November will be $1.443. The maximum price is expected to be $1.506 per coin. The minimum will be $1.382 throughout November 2021. The XRP price will grow by $0.06857 or 4.99%. XRP price prediction at the end of 2021 and in December 2021. The forecast of XRP rate for December 2021 is $1.478 at the beginning and $1.528 at the end of the month. The Ripple digital coin rate will be $1.502. The maximum cost is expected to be $1.544 per coin. The minimum will be $1.463. The XRP rate for December 2021 will grow by $0.0596 or 4.099%. According to analysts, the Ripple payment network native token XRP looks the readiest for growth and updating the historical maximum. In the event of another impulse, the XRP's price may reach the level of $2.8, an increase of 100% from current levels, and then exceed $4.3, a rise of 244% from current levels, says Van de Poppe. On September 5th, XRP was trading for $1.25. Over the past month, the cryptocurrency has grown by 127%. That's it for today, guys. We will see you next time. Until then.